When a droplet hits a still pond, the ripples you see aren't actually water traveling across the surface. They are pure energy moving through the water. It's the same with the sound of my voice. It's a chain reaction of vibrating air molecules, or an earthquake, which is the physical crust of the planet shaking. Every wave we experience day to day requires a medium, a physical substance to carry it. But then there is the vacuum of space. Out there, past our atmosphere, there is no air, no water, just an absolute void, completely devoid of matter. And yet, 150 million kilometers away sits the sun, separated from us by that near-perfect emptiness. Despite having absolutely no physical substance to travel through, the sun's light and heat reach our planet in about 8 minutes. To cross that expanse of nothingness, light cannot rely on an external medium like a water wave does. It has to act as its own medium. In the mid-19th century, physicist James Clerk Maxwell was working to connect two forces that seemed related but distinct: electricity and magnetism. Faraday's law shows a crucial mechanism. A changing magnetic field generates a new electric field. By introducing the displacement current, Maxwell proved the reverse is also true. A changing electric field generates a magnetic field. Put them together and you have a perfect loop. The electric field creates the magnetic field, and the magnetic field creates the electric field. A changing field summons its partner directly out of empty space, creating something from nothing. Because of this mathematical symmetry, these electric and magnetic fields can continually regenerate each other, leapfrogging through the void without ever degrading. The process kicks off with a single accelerating electric charge. Think of an electron vibrating rapidly inside an atom or a wire. As this charge moves back and forth, it sends an oscillating electric field rippling outward. Following Maxwell's loop, that fluctuating electric field instantly spawns a magnetic field, which then gives rise to another electric field, on and on. This 3D vector diagram shows the wave's anatomy. An electric field pulses vertically along the x-axis, while a magnetic field pulses horizontally along the y-axis. Notice they are locked at 90 degrees to each other and completely perpendicular to the forward travel direction. All the energy of the wave is contained completely within the fields themselves. No water, no air molecules, and no physical strings are required. An electromagnetic wave is a self-contained engine, fueled entirely by its own internal cycle of creation. Maxwell's equations predicted a specific constant speed for this self-sustaining wave. This calculation derives the wave's velocity. By plugging in two constants that dictate the basic electric and magnetic properties of a vacuum, the math outputs a highly specific number, 300 million meters per second. That specific number perfectly matched the velocity of light, which optical scientists had already measured. This proved that visible light is, in fact, an electromagnetic wave. Light is just one slice of a much larger spectrum. The only difference between visible light and other types of electromagnetic radiation is their frequency, how rapidly their fields oscillate. At the low frequency end, we find radio waves. Innovators like Guglielmo Marconi harnessed these extremely long waves to transmit information across entire oceans. Move slightly up the spectrum and you hit microwaves. Because of their specific frequency, these waves happen to match the resonant frequency of water molecules, transferring kinetic energy that heats up your food. Keep increasing the frequency, and you enter the realm of visible light, followed by ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays. Every single one of them relies on the exact same electric and magnetic field regeneration. This self-sustaining engine is the connective tissue of our universe. It is the only way energy, information, and warmth can cross the vast empty reaches of the cosmos and reach us here on Earth.